Today we have SIU Day, where we've invited local high school students and their school counselors to come and visit, see what there is to offer related to SIU within all of our different programs, majors, specializations. So there's probably 50 or so different sessions that students can choose from today. And hopefully they can find something they're interested in and meet people who can help them along the way, such as me. I introduce myself and they'll be able to ask me any questions and hopefully use me as a contact in the future if they need it. And then we're hosting a financial trivia. Dr. Marlowe is hosting that session this afternoon, dealing with personal finances and learning more about how to manage their money in the future.
Well, my main purpose for this is for the students' benefit, so they can learn a little bit more about themselves, so then they can better tell the world who they are. That's going to help them with their college applications, with their scholarship applications, and eventually it's going to help them find a great field that they can succeed in for their careers. I think it helps the college because it sees a little bit of what class at SIU is alike. We believe in experiential learning. We believe in using the classroom as a way to help students ultimately achieve their goals, and have those careers that they're going to thrive in later.
I learned a lot about trying to find the values of making a business, what goes into that, trying to be myself authentically, to find where I belong in that kind of sense of that area.
Probably the 5th or 6th year that we've held this event, undergraduate admissions and events and services. So they do a great job organizing all these students to get around campus and manage all the sessions and the faculty members and all the moving parts. But again, it's just to increase that exposure to our Southern Illinois students and get them to campus and let them see what it's like.